The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for western Multnomah County in northwestern Oregon until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles north of Rock Creek, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of western Multnomah County. In Oregon, this includes U.S. Highway 30 west of Portland between mile markers 9 and 12. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.